Welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be a short sweet one and I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. You're the best. Like, you really enjoyed my last content. Thank you so much for your love and support, and if you want to check that video out, I'm gonna put a link here or somewhere here. Make sure to check that video out. So I will be sharing with you guys why you should not buy a luxury item. Yes, you guys heard me right. I know some of you might be wondering, Maureen, what's this all about? I know. You guys know I love my luxury products. From time to time, your girl will splurge. But I've sat down and I've thought of so many things. So I came up with these 5 reasons. Number 1, do not buy a luxury item if you do not have a substantial, yes, you guys heard me right, I'm going to say that again, a substantial saving somewhere else. Don't do it. Guys, when it comes to buying luxury products, it is no joke. You are spending so much money to get this item, and if you do not have a substantial savings somewhere else, why do you want to splurge? You get what I mean? Do not do it. I would say if you want to get a luxury item, make sure you have a good savings somewhere else. In case anything happens, you can always fall back to that savings account or current account. Okay. Number 2, if you're going to be thinking about an investment piece, in quotes, don't buy it. Do not buy it. Yes, you guys heard me right, because a luxury product, it's not like a landed property. Yes, you guys heard me right. It's not like you're investing into a house that will appreciate in value with time. You get what I mean? I know that with the Chanel handbags, they go up in price, but at times it is not that easy to sell. Yes, it is not. So this investment piece thing, no, stop it. I always say that when it comes to a luxury item, I buy my luxury items because I want to wear the hell out of it. 3, this mentality of resale value when it comes to a luxury item, just have to stop it. Because it is not every luxury item that holds its retail value when you want to sell. This takes me back to my number 2 point. Buy a luxury item because you want to wear the hell out of it. You want to enjoy your pieces, and stop thinking about resale value. How much am I going to make from this? How much am I going to make from that? That doesn't make sense to me. So if you're going to be thinking about reselling, don't buy a luxury item. For me, I do not buy my luxury items because I want to resell. That's enough for me. I buy them because I want to wear them and I'm going to rock the hell out of it. I don't care what you say about it, okay? Number 4, this is very important. Guys, do not buy. I'm going to say that again. Do not buy a luxury product using a credit card or going to the credit union to get loan. It is ridiculous. I see people splurging on luxury items using their credit card. What are you thinking about? This is ridiculous. Do not do it. Like, guys, this might be a surprise to some of you guys. I do not own a credit card because I don't want the credit card. My bank has been bombarding me with emails and letters of getting a credit card. I said, no, I don't need it. And when I want to buy my luxury product, I pay cash. It's either the money is there to buy it or I forget it. I don't do this credit card thing. That's crap to me. It doesn't make sense. Stop it, please. My last point is, do not buy a luxury product if you can afford it just because you want to impress people. That is crap. No one cares about your luxury item, guys. Yes, you heard me right. I can't comprehend some things, you know. Who are you trying to impress? If you can't afford a Gucci bag, go to Zara, get something that looks like it and rock the hell out of it. It's as simple as that. Everyone must not have a Chanel bag, a Gucci bag, an Hermes bracelet. That's just my opinion, like. And you guys forget that luxury is not a necessity, it is just luxury. So I'm just gonna end this video here. If you guys enjoyed this content, let me know by leaving your comments beneath the comment section. As always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye now.